Hello everybody. Today I'm going to do something a little bit different. As many of you know, I spent about a year and a half on the streets and now I'm housed. I've been housed for a while, but I was in shelters and now I'm permanently housed. And I'm trying to kind of encourage myself to get back to, what I was before I was homeless. It's taken a while to heal, but so I decided I needed to kind of, spruce up my look a bit, but I just don't have a lot of money. So today I went to the dollar store, so I'm going to do a dollar store makeover. But I just turned 60 in April, so I'm not looking to put a ton of makeup on. So these are some lip blusher combo for older women. I got a little bit of eye cover-up stick and a little bit of mascara and a new eyeshadow palette and some leave-in conditioner and I think something else, but I only spent $11, which is like a steal. So let's see how it works. So we're going to start with the concealer stick, cover-up stick in peach. Let's see how it works. We're just going to have a little bit darker color, I think, than I normally have. They don't really have many light colors at the Dollar Tree, so it might be a little dark, but it's supposed to be peach. And my previous concealer was extremely white. So I don't know that that's a good match for me. But we're just gonna cover up those bags and wrinkles the best we can. I mean, I am 60 years old, so we might put a little there, one of my little blemishes, maybe a little on my nose, and there we go. Next, okay. It's interesting. I'll start with the lips so we can see. It's a nice color. And we'll put some on the cheekies. And then we'll use that blush brush to kind of blend it in. Maybe a nice finger movement. Might even do a little on the eyes. I still have a lot of work to do. I need to get my eyebrows done. I need to do my nails. Maybe color my hair. But I'm coming around. Nude palette. It's nude. I like being nude. Some pretty colors. I wanted to do some white first of all. I want to do a little bit of white under my eyes, not a lot. Just kind of in the corners. A little sparkle. Maybe a little in this corner. Make my eyes look a little bit wider and then blend it in. And I'm going to do some right on the lid too. Some white rather than black. I don't think black looks good on older women. Not that, the black makeup, the lines, but that's your thing. Cool. I'll put a little bit of this dark in the creases here. And a little bit of pink highlights at the top. Make my eyes stand out a little more. And that's about it for the eyeshadow. The white looks a little too bright, so we're going to use a little bit of this brown over the top just to tone it down a little bit. I don't want it quite that white. And now one final touch. My makeup is done. Lash brush. Soon we'll be making another run. The lash brush promises something for everyone. Okay, let's see how I look with eyelashes. Not that I don't have any, but they're not very prominent. Peekaboo lashes, but not too long. And as much as I do like bottom lashes, I tend to not. There's one tip that I think I do pretty well with makeup. I'm not the best makeup artist, but this one I think I do pretty well. I mean, I was a cosmetologist for 18 years, but the one thing that I think I do pretty well for older women, you don't want a bunch of stuff under your eyes. Like, I put some white. The white is nice, but you don't want black. You don't want lashes. You don't want eyeliner or anything like that underneath. So here's my glasses. How does it look? Is it pretty? Do I look pretty now?